gorgeous spot. Yeah, the next spot we're going to is still here in Hyder. However, getting to it is not very pretty, so don't expect a whole lot. The views when we get there are fantastic. All right, we will see y'all at the new place. This is Hyder. There's not a whole lot to it. They have one campground. It's called the Mud what? Mud Dauber?
No, Mud.
Mud something. Anyway, but it's right on the road. So we're gonna show you how to get to this next campsite.
No name street. When you come straight in from the Canadian line, just come straight on. There's no street sign on this street. It's called Nevada Street.
It looks like you're going into the bad section of town. However,
it's not that.
There's not much town here.
And that's not the case at all. These people have bought these properties and they're redoing them.
Right.
So there's a lot.
Yeah, a lot of going on.
Whose property that is there. I'm not going to cut through there. I'm going to go here and use the road. That might be the road there, but I don't know.
So there's a house being built right there.
I think it's being
got a nice,
remodeled.
Yeah.
Nice places. The ones that are being done.
There's just a lot of stuff sitting around everywhere.
Well, you know, that's the way it is in some places. But
yeah.
It's a quaint little town. People are friendly. And it's just abandoned stuff that people are
trying to clean up.
They're trying to clean up, and that's, you know, that's the way it is.
I know.
Pretty cool.
Well,
and this is the
men think this is cool, y'all. Us women, we're like, oh my gosh, where are you taking me? But I promise you, where we're going is beautiful.
Yeah, this is the way.
Just getting there is not so pretty.
Well, I mean, this is like a junkyard area. You got to get through it to get to the good spot. Sometimes that's the way it is. And I think when I come back out of here, I'm going to take that road across there because I think that's what people are doing. But I don't know. I don't see no sign that says I can't take it. So probably when we leave here, of course the water's dried up now. We haven't had that one day of rain when we first came in. We haven't had just a few sprinkles here and there.
Yeah.
And there's a junkyard here at the end of the street.
That we have to go through.
Yeah, you got to go by it, the old junkyard here. It's such a beautiful place, though. Once you get past this, and this is still a beautiful place. I mean, you just got a junkyard.
And Howard's going to say, hey, there's a lot of good stuff there.
That's right. A lot of good stuff there.
All the guys will say that.
When we first came here, we didn't know if we should come down here or not. We didn't know.
Yeah.
And sometimes with these navigators, whoever they are, they can all be wrong. We've run into that too.
Oh, everybody's run into Google.
So here it's just stuff piled up. They've moved it.
And why would you move it out to such a beautiful place?
Yeah, this is beautiful out here.
Yeah, the road is a little rough, but hey, it's all
doable.
Yeah.
Let's look at what we're going to be looking at out here. Once we get out here and get set up, man, it's going to be great. If there's anything available. We don't know because people have been in and out. Looks like a spot there, but it's not sure.
Yep, somebody's got our favorite spot.
Yep. We're going to get that spot right there.
Are they blocking the road?
The road into it, yeah.
Well, that's not cool. Oh. Some of these people, you just don't know.
I don't know how deep that hole is there, so I'm not going to go through there. I don't know how deep it is.
I mean, I just want to...
the place on the end's open. We'll take that one.
Okay.
We came over here and scoped it out, y'all. So, I mean, there's some old abandoned mining equipment around, but me, I think that's kind of cool. But guys are like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's not that it's an unsafe place or anything like that. It's not. It's quite safe here. There's 2 areas here, so hey.
I mean, I just want to tell you a little secret. When you see roads off to the side and whatnot, don't block them, because that makes it where nobody else can get in. So
Let's see. Well, right there we can get in.
yeah, I think this is the spot we checked out anyway.
Oh, is the other one, is it open down there? It looks like there's Starlink still there.
Yeah, somebody's still there.
So we're gonna park. Oh, the river went down.
Oh, wow.
You know, we had all that rain, and when we came out here, it was almost to come over the bank.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna stop so we can get parked, and then we'll show you the results. There's our spot. Yep. You can't beat that with a stick. Gorgeous.